Hello everyone, guys. Today I will show you how to get T5 from RBC Bank online. So guys, to do this steps, first step, log in your account on your RBC account. After that, guys, go to statement, look for statement option as you can see here. After that, guys, go to summary and statement document from here. Statement document, and after that, guys, click on view manage document page and go to your tax, and you will open this page. Go your tax document. After that, guys, all you have to do, what you have to do is select your tax and select this RCB recipient and to your tax document from here. After that, guys, what select this year T5, and after that, from the tax document, select the paper you have, electronic or papers, delivery preference. After that, guys, what you have to do, click this option switch paper and click on the switch paper. After that, you will download your tax document successfully without any problems. T5. This is how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon, guys.